going to be on the left-hand side, but that's just a guess.
Okay.
Yeah, park over here. Kevin was right, there's 2 BMWs here at the cafe. And a Ducati. Do you want to go in and have something to drink or look around or something?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Okay.
They got racing up.
That's how those things sound stock. That's a factory exhaust. It's badass, huh?
Good night.
Alright folks, so we are out here at Moto PDX Cafe. We are literally like next door to Cycle Gear. You can probably see the Cycle Gear sign right there. And this is a cool little shop. So it just opened. You can come here and get a coffee. You can look at some really cool bikes, vintage and new. They have a Pinighelli V4. It's not a V4R, but it's a V4. And they got some old vintage Ducatis in there, the Aprilia. And the owner's really cool. We sat and chatted. They have a big screen TV in there with some couches. You guys can sit and hang out, watch MotoGP. And yeah, I think this might be a cool little spot here, guys. If you guys are in the Portland area, right off Stark Street, come by, check out Moto PDX Cafe. Like I said, it's new, but there are some plans here. This guy might like to do some, maybe in the future, do some classes, like maybe how to put brakes on your bike. And maybe you could come here and wrench on your own bike and use their tools. He might teach you how to pull a tire off your bike, for instance. So yeah, if you guys are into motorcycles in the Portland area, definitely come by and check this place out. Good vibes and good people. So we are on our way back home to Oregon City because I got fresh EBC brake pads waiting. And then my bike's gonna be like all maintenance out because I got fresh tires, fresh oil, fresh air cleaner, and I'm gonna have fresh brakes with fresh fluid right now. And it's just gonna be all fresh for 2022, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this little episode. And oh yeah, I got a new backpack. I don't know if you guys can see in the reflection. Maybe I'll do a little review on this backpack. I got an Ogio backpack. I got the Mach 3, and I'm so super stoked and excited right now. I'm gonna get on the freeway and go 100 miles an hour and see how aerodynamic it is. So. All right, after this Dodge.
You want that bicycle to go first?
Okay, not after the Dodge.
Okay. Now after that Dodge.
Okay, that works.